Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this flower. I usually make these from leftover yarn from projects that I finish. You can add a bead to them if you like. You'll need about this much yarn. Any kind works, just make sure that the hook that you're using matches the size of your yarn. Start with a chain 4. Slip stitch into the beginning chain to make a ring. Chain 1. And then do 10 single crochets inside of this ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And just count them to make sure it's right. And slip stitch into that very first single crochet right there. You can see the little chain under there. Don't crochet into that. And you're going to chain 1, kind of pull it tight, and then single crochet in that same stitch. You'll make a chain of 3. You're going to skip that first stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3 again. Skip a stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3, skip stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3. Skip a stitch, single crochet in the next. Chain 3 again. Then you're going to slip stitch into that first single crochet you made. Right there. In the chain space, we're going to make 1 single crochet and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 1 more single crochet, same space. In the next space, we'll make 1 single crochet, 3 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3, another single crochet. And then in the next chain space, same thing. 1 single crochet, 3 double crochets. And a single crochet. Same thing in the next. 1 single, 3 doubles, 1 single. Sorry for the background noise. It's TV. My child is watching Bluey. Do the same thing in the next chain space. Single crochet, 3 doubles, 1 single. Okay, and then we're going to single crochet around this post right here, around it. So you'll go to the back, insert your hook around the post, pull up the loop, and just single crochet around that post. you'll chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet around the next post, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet around the next post, chain 5. Again, single crochet around the post and chain 5 again. One more time, single crochet around the post and chain 5. And then we're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet, just like that. And then in this chain space, we're going to make 1 single crochet, 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another single crochet. Same thing in the next. 1 single, 5 doubles, 1 single, all in the chain space. One more single. Next chain space, I'm going to do the same. 1 single, 5 doubles, and 1 single. Single crochet in the next chain space, 5 doubles, and a single. You'll do this all the way around for each 5 petals. At the end, we're going to single crochet around this post again. Not the same post, the next post. Right around there, just like that. Pull up a loop and single crochet. We're going to, it's a little difficult sometimes. And then we're going to chain 7. Same thing around the whole flower. Single crochet around the post, chain 7. When you get to the end, slip stitch into the first single crochet, and then do 1 single crochet and 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 single crochet. Go all the way around the flower doing the same thing. In each chain space, 1 single crochet, 7 double crochets, and 1 more single crochet. When you get to the end, just slip stitch into that single crochet that you made previously and pull your yarn all the way through to finish it off. Don't chain. I had just enough yarn for this little flower, and then that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to weave in the ends, and while I'm weaving in the center end, I'm going to close this ring up to make it nice and tight. I just go into the back of the single crochets that I made. And go at least most of the way around. Pull it tight to kind of close the ring. You can see how it's getting smaller already. Pull it tight, but don't break your yarn. And then you can go back in the opposite direction. skip over one loop so that it kind of locks your yarn into place, and then go back the opposite direction again, just a little bit. And then with this end, I just kind of weave it in through there so that I can get the yarn to the center. So whenever I put a bead in it, I can just kind of wrap it around each side of the loop like that. Here's a couple more that I did. Here's one that I made with wool. Here's one that I made with some metallic glittery white yarn and put a silver bead in. Here's a seasonal one I did with 3 beads to make it look like holly berries, I guess. This one is a hot dog flower, has a hot dog button. What do you do? Made this one with size 10 thread and a 1mm hook, and there's a crochet button in the middle of it. Put a clip on this one, and on the 3rd row of petals I put a picot in the middle, and I add another leaf. Here's one I did with the picot on every petal. I added an extra row on this one. You would just, chain 9, do your single crochet, 9 double crochets in the middle, and another single crochet. On this one, I only added the picots on the outside edge, and I left the middle ones with no picot. I like it a little better that way, but they both look good. Okay, I'm gonna go put a bead on this blue flower. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.